But you know,
You want to know. You want to know, but
where are
uh-huh.
you right now?
I'm at home.
What country are you?
I'm in Dubai.
You're in Dubai.
Yeah.
Parang nasa Malay-Balay, like that. In Dubai.
What? Yeah.
The what you call this? The Burj Khalifa?
Beach Khalifa. Beach Khalifa.
Yeah. You are in there
Do
right
you know
now.
Dubai?
In Dubai ba yun? Sa Dubai ba yun? Is it in Dubai? No.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The Khalifa?
Beach Khalifa. Yeah, it's in Dubai.
Yeah. I know.
Yeah.
I study my lesson when I was a child.
Ah, yeah.
Yes.
That's great.
So,
That's great.